There was practically no big hope for me for university access because my parents can afford to do that for me. Then I was about to apply for the state university, but every year only maybe 2% of students who applied get accepted. So the chance was very low. Studied in one of the best universities in Haiti, and with almost 90% of chance to get accepted. Just apply, get the exams, and if you're able to pay, if you can prove that, you get accepted.
I think help can help me to get a good job, and I think also help can help people trust in my capacity. I know I have to go at university, but I didn't know how exactly. But with help, it was easier for me to study, and then to help give me a good structure to study in order to reach my target. It was a great experience for me because I can say I get success in my life thanks to this work.
I started at Kiskeya in 2003. I studied law, and during my studies, I make a training at notary desk. I'm working with a student. They have difficulties with their family, economic difficulties in others, and they have also difficulties to integrate at university because they come from a families in poor class. Some of the poor near or four members of your family, they need something from you because you are in a high level than them, and it's an obligation, natural obligation to help them. It's difficult for you because you need to choose your studies or help family. Help family needs economics, it needs money. It can be a solution for 1 year, for 1 month, for one week. But your studies needs it will be better for you to help you to help you and after your family.
Las hojas con letras sin sentido, letras de lástima y pena, letras de olvido, letras que cambian el blanco